Okay, so this is my new to-go tripod from Ulanzi. The product is F38. That's their lineup for travel tripod. Packed nicely in here. These are the sharp dots for the legs. There we have this is a middle part. This is the extender rope. Here we have a cell phone holder, and let me see this feels very solid, like that it will last some journeys. And now let's have a look at the Beauty and the Beast. Yes, this will help my recording flow, catching new content, making it happen while on the go. Oh, it feels very, very solid. This is like a silk touching this very smooth surface. All these parts are metal. There we have a F38 plate, and I believe that you need to pull and then now release. Yes, I got it right. So like this. Now you lock it, and we'll go now to nowhere. Okay. Tomorrow you can be. Tomorrow I will be launching a new short where I show you what equipment I have and what do I use for a daily basis. Okay, thank you guys.